Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is filled with warmth, celebration and simple joys. From a traditional Bengali meal made with love to colorful tulip and thoughtful Mother's Day gift. Also a special surprise for my kitten. This day was truly one to remember. Come along and enjoy the cozy moment with me. I hope you will like it. Every morning as I make my bed, Evie jumps right in. She is ready to relax and claim her cozy spot on my bed. Sometimes Reshmi, my white ragdoll, also follow her. Today is going to be a really busy day, but before it all begins, I decided to slow down for a moment and enjoy some quiet time with my kitten on the patio. And the morning breeze and a little peace before the rush. Recently, I went downtown to do some shopping for my brother-in-laws. It was a bright sunny day, the kind that makes you slow down and soak everything in. I truly enjoyed walking through the lively street, watching people go by, each with their own story. Simple moments like this make the day feel special. I picked up some new plant for my hanging baskets. Adding a touch of green always brings me joy. With my guest arriving soon, I'm hoping to finish setting up my little patio garden It's my favorite corner and I want to feel fresh and welcoming. Rashmi, my ragdoll, turned 1 year today, and I don't know what to buy for her, so I decided to get some new scratch post and water fountain for their drinking. And I'm really happy that they are enjoying their fountain drink water. This morning I prepared a traditional Bengali breakfast for us and it was really delicious. I made it after long time. I'm making traditional Bengali meal for my brother-in-law who is going to have dinner tonight with us. It felt like a little celebration, bringing the taste of Bangladesh into my cozy Vancouver home, although I was missing my sister a lot. Later, we went to the Tulip festival in the Chilliwack. The fields were bursting with color. It felt like walking through a painting. reminded me how nature quietly brings joy. Just standing among this tulip made me feel peaceful and grateful for this simple beauty. Each color seemed to tell its own story. I could have spent hours just walking, watching the petals dance under the sun. Back home, my sons surprised me with the most beautiful gift for Mother's Day, each one full of love and thought. Thank you so much for spending the day with me, whether it's through sharing a meal, walking among tulips, or receiving a heartfelt gift. Life's beauty is found in the small, cozy moment. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more stories from my cozy Vancouver life. See you in the next video. Bye.